Good afternoon, November 661 Mike Golf is holding short runway 33 at Alpha, southwest departure.
661 Mike Golf, Winston Tower, runway 33, clear for takeoff, no delay, got traffic, jet on a 5 mile final.
Roger, 33, clear for takeoff, no delay, 1 Mike Golf.
1 Mike Golf, left turn out approved.
Left turn for 1 Mike Golf.
Sirius 827 Charlie Tango, Winston Tower, enter a right downwind, runway 33, wind 360 at 3, altimeter 3003, report a midfield right downwind.
003, we'll call you right midfield downwind for 337 Charlie Tango.
Medevac 320 Golf Victor, Winston ground clear to the Mike Tango November Airport via the Quaker 7 departure. Lynchburg transition, Dennis file, climb maintain 4,000. Expects flight level 270, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency Greensboro 124.35, squawk 3561. Medevac 0 Golf Victor, readback correct, and squawk was 3561.
Winston, ground signature, tug and crew van at the top of the ramp would like to proceed to the north side.
Medevac 0 Golf Victor, advisory attacks with the current information. Executive Jet 325, use caution, men equipment left side of the runway, beam taxiway Delta. 325. Take your crew van, Winston ground, hold short, runway 15, via taxiway Foxtrot.
Crew van and tug holding short.
Jet 325, left turn on taxiway Juliet to the ramp, remain on this frequency.
Okay, left turn on Juliet, stay with you, Jet 325. Winston Tower, Sirius 827 Charlie Tango is entering right downwind midfield 33.
Rotax 11 Papa, if you want runway 33, that's also available, whichever is better for you.
We'll take 33. 11 Papa.
11 Papa, straight into 33. Now, correction, straight into runway 33. You're going to follow a Sirius to turn on base to final. Runway 33, number 2, clear to land.
Traffic, you're looking for traffic. We're number 2, cleared to land. 11 Papa.
And Sirius 7 Charlie Tango and November 11 Papa. Use caution, there is men and equipment left side of the runway, a beam taxiway Delta.
7 Charlie Tango. Charlotte Tower, Fremont 6214.
American 2034, Charlotte, runway 36 right, line of way, traffic on a 5 mile final is the number.
Bottom and wait, 36 right, American 2034.
American 2246, contact departure, take care.
Switcher, American 2246, good day.
Fremont 6214, Charlotte, runway 36 right, clear to land, traffic will depart prior to arrival, wind 250 at 9er.
36 right, clear to land, Fremont 6214. Tower Blue Streak 5182, visual 36 right.
Blue Streak 5182, Charlotte Tower, runway 36 right, clear to land, traffic will depart prior to arrival.
36 right, clear to land, Blue Streak 5182.
Blue Streak 5050, Charlotte, runway 36 right, line up and wait, traffic on a 4.5 mile finals in RJ.
36 right, line up, Blue Streak 5050.
Piedmont 6214, just also on down to Charlie 10. Left turn there, north on Charlie, use Charlie 12 only.
Alrighty, Charlie 10, Charlie, and Charlie 12, Piedmont 6214.
Here, down to Charlie Mike, line up way, runway 36 right, be ready to go, please. Traffic inside of 4 miles is the heavy 777.
Line up away, can you do it now, Charlie Mike?
American 733 heavy, Charlotte, was that you trying to check in?
That's affirmative, 36 right, now.
American 733 heavy, traffic will depart prior to arrival, runway 36 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 36 right, American 733 heavy.
Blue 5385 Charlotte Tower, caution with turbulence, 4.5 miles in trail of a heavy C-17, traffic holds in position. Wind 260 at 7, gust 15, runway 36 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 36 right, we'll cross back turbulence, Blue Streak 5385.
American 2345, contact departure.
2345, switcher, good day.
American 2068, Charlotte Tower, traffic 4 mile final, RJ 36 right, line up and wait.
Line up way, 36 right, American 2068.
Tower Epic 73, hey, gear down, 36 right.
Epic 73 heavy, Charlotte Tower, runway 36 right, clear land. 5 miles in trail of actually traffic short final, RJ, traffic will hold in position. Wind 250 at 10, gust 15.
Clear to land, 36 right, Epic 73.
American 443, runway 36 right, line up and wait, C-17 heavy, 4 mile final.
Go for it,
6.3 heading 025, contact departure.
025 over departure, shuttle 6023.
So I get out of this shelf, hopefully climb a little bit, see if less bumpy up there. Good afternoon, 661 my golf request.
Number 2, I got you now. Your radar contact, Mid Carolina, Charlotte, altimeter 3001. I'm sorry, who was the other call?
It's November 661 my golf.
661 Mike Golf, is that right?
So I'd like to request a flight following to Lima, Zulu uniform, 8,500.
Alright, well, Mike Golf, I'll help you if I can. Charlotte, altimeter 3001, squawk 0364. Number 2, contact Charlotte 126.15. We'll see you. 222 Mike uniform, so to maintain 3,000, rows 12 o'clock to 10 miles. 222 Mike uniform, so to maintain 3,000. Mike uniform, no traffic observed between you and Monroe. 2 Mike uniform, cancellation IFR received, squawk VFR and frequency change approved. You have a good day.
661 Mike, I would just like to get that squawk code again.
Alright, I'm sorry, I got several calling at once. There's a citation that's calling. Can you, citation, say again. Alright, November 1 Mike Golf, squawk 0364.
0364 for 1 Mike Golf.
Alright, citation calling Charlotte, say again.
Approach good afternoon, 661 Mike Golf request.
Last Congress, again.
It's November 661 my golf.
Number 661 my golf, your approach ground number 3002, sir, request.
I'd like to request flight following to Lima Zulu uniform, 8,000. And what was that altimeter? One more time.
661 Mike Golf, the altimeter is 3002, state type aircraft.
30002, experimental Sling TSi, 1 Mike Golf.
661 Mike Golf, state type aircraft.
Experimental Sling TSi, 1 Mike Golf.
Sling 661 Mike Golf, squawk 5174, verified level 8,000.
5174, 8,000, 1 Mike Golf.
I'm 1945 Zulu, wind 210 at 10, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 26, dew point 04, altimeter 3006. Visual approach, runway 25 in use. Bird activity vicinity of the airport, utilize caution. Advise on initial contact, you have information, Mike.
Alright, start our descent, 13 miles out. Wait for it. 1 Mike Golf would like to start our descent.
1 Mike Golf, roger.
Rotate.
Number 661 Mike Golf, my tower, continue inbound runway 25.
Continue inbound from runway 25, 1 Mike Golf. Alright, so I got my runway in front to line up with it.
103 Alpha Victor, going tower.
Victor, go ahead.
3 Alpha Victor, you are well north of center line. It looks like you're coming in on my center line now. Are you planning to cross the runway for the left downwind, or are you going to enter the right downwind as instructed?
Okay, we're entering the right downwind for 250 Victor. Full wide mount.
Hope y'all can hear this the tone on the tower here. You're not messed with Gwinnett Tower. Oh my God, it's 3 miles final.
Way 25. Wind 25010.
At 341, like cruise change.
341, approved. Have a good day.
I'll talk to you later.
Traffic in sight 103 Alpha Victor.
3 Alpha Victor, runway 25, clear touch and go number 2. What are your intentions from there?
Departure VFR to the southwest.
Touch and go number 2.
Number 2, clear for touch and go, runway 25, 103 Alpha Victor.
Gwinnett Tower, November 358 Whiskey Charlie ready on the N25.
358 Whiskey Charlie, right tower, short runway 25 for traffic.
Hold short, runway 258 Whiskey Charlie.
Alright, 1 Mike Golf, what's your parking?
North hangars for 1 Mike Golf.
1 Mike Golf, turn right at Echo, taxi Echo, Tango the ramp, have a good day.
Thank you. Right at Echo to the hangars. Good day, thank you. Well, I want to thank you all for coming with me on this flight. Very quiet flight. Hope you've enjoyed the video, enjoyed the flight. It's good to be home. Now I'm going to get into Atlanta traffic because I'm home during rush hour here. But guys, please stay safe, fly safe. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't with the notification bell on.
103 Alpha Victor, 1 able, and need to make a slight left turn or stay runway heading or slightly left. I've got traffic coming off of the right turnout behind you, citation.